매워요. 매워요. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 매워요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 250. 매워요. 매워요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is me, second syllable is wo, and third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 매워요. 매워요. The Korean word 매워요 is an adjective which means spicy. So this is used to say that a food is spicy. So when your food is spicy, you can say 매워요. How do we write 매워요 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. Let's start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable me in Hangul, we need to draw first a miyum character followed by an e character. For the second syllable wo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by an u character followed by an o character. If you notice, the combination of the u and o character produced the wo sound. And then for the last syllable yo, we just need to draw a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 매워요. Again, the meaning of the word 매워요 is spicy. So this is a plain expression, a plain description of whether your food is spicy or not. The opposite of 매워요 is 안매워요, which means not spicy. So this is a very common expression in Korean because most of their foods are spicy. So when you wanted to express that your food is spicy, you can say 매워요. And with that, you've just learned 매워요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 240 to 249. But don't forget our word for today, word number 250, 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is neda. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요, which means how much is this? Word number 247 is hol. This is the Korean slang for shock, surprise, or sarcasm. Word number 246 is 그랬어, which means so. Word number 245 is 아름다운, which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜, which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리, which means far. Word number 242 is 작은, which means small. Word number 241 is 큰, which means big. And the last for our review, word number 240, 있다, which means to be on a certain location or to exist. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 안 매워요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 안매워요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 253. 안매워요. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is an, second syllable is me, third syllable is wo, and third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 안매워요. 안매워요. Again, it's 안매워요. The word 안매워요 is just the opposite of 매워요, which is spicy. So, 안매워요 is an adjective which means not spicy. If you could remember, one among the previous words discussed on this channel is 매워요, which means spicy. And 안매워요 is just the negated version of that word. Since it is a negation, the meaning is just the opposite of it. Let's remember the concept of negation in Korean. In English, we express the negation of a certain description by adding not at the beginning of a certain word. For example, the word is spicy. To be able to negate that, we just add not before the word spicy itself. So, spicy is the opposite of not spicy. In Korean, one way of doing the negation is simply just adding an at the beginning of the word. So, if the word is 매워요 and we wanted to negate it, we will just add an at the beginning of it. So, 매워요 plus an at the beginning is 안매워요. And since the meaning of the word 매워요 in Korean is spicy, the meaning of its negation, 안매워요, is not spicy. And 안매워요 is used to say that the food is not spicy. Now let's study how to write 안매워요 in Hangul. This is very similar to how 매워요 is written in Hangul, but there is an additional syllable at the beginning. So this is composed of 4 syllables. The first syllable is an. This is written by drawing first a no sound ian, followed by an a character, followed by a nian character. The second syllable me is formed from the combination of a mium character and e character. The third syllable wo is formed from the combination of a no sound ian, an u character, and an o character. And the last syllable yo is formed from the combination of a no sound ian and the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the Hangul of the word 안매워요. And with that, you've just learned 안매워요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 243 to 252. But don't forget our word for today, word number 253, 안매워요, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is 전화, and this is the Korean word for telephone. Word number 251 is 얼마나, and this is used to indicate how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is 내다. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요, and this is a phrase which is used to ask how much is the price of a certain item. Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang used to say no way or oh goodness to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. Word number 246 is 그래서, which means so. Word number 245 is 아름다운, which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜, which means bad. And the last for our review, word number 243, 멀리, which means far. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.